Now this question strongly pulls me in favor of one of my favorite strategies, which is to plug points into equations. I mean, look, we're given an equation at the start, we're given a bunch of points. However, these points are a little scary looking, right? They all have these fractions, they all look very, very similar, so that might make me nervous. So in this case, even though I'm going to use this strategy, I am not going to plug in the points that they give me in the choices. I am given a point in the question. You've got to be able to pull this out of the question. This does happen a lot on the SAT. They are looking for the point where we cross the x-axis. That is an x-intercept. And one thing we know about every x-intercept is that y is equal to 0. And we can see from the answer choices that that's also kind of got to be true, right? All of the y's are equal to 0. So I would plug in that half of the point and see what happens. So in this case, now ax is still going to be variables, but b times y will be b times 0. And that crosses out because b times 0 is 0. So that leaves us with ax equals c. And since we're looking for the x coordinate of the point, right, that's the missing piece here, we would just divide by a to find it. So that would leave us with x is equal to c over a, and that happens in choice C. This question looks very, very intimidating because there's lots of math jargon and there's lots of variables. But honestly, this is a really easy must-get question. So if you're thinking in terms of points and equations, you're halfway there. Just plug in what you know, and it's going to make sure that you get the right answer.